Make sure your device is getting the best possible charge this year. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I've rated my top 10 power strips and wall chargers for the year, but want to give you 3 of my top picks. These are not your average power strips. Check out the AdTam USB wall charger. This is a 9-in-1 plug that comes with 5 AC outlets and 3 different sides, and 4 USB chargers, including a USB-C. That's a newer, smaller one. This is a fast and smart charger that can detect your devices and deliver optimal charging. It has 3 surge protection circuits, so you don't have to worry about overheating, overvoltage, short-circuiting, or any of that. Next, it's the Anchor Power Strip, which is perfect for packing for your traveling. It has 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, so you can charge all your devices at once, and the compact hub is less than 2.5 cubic inches in size, so it'll take up very little room at all in your desk or in your bag. Finally, check out the Jackie LED Tower Surge Protector. This charging station is a standing tower, which is unlike our regular lay-flat power strips, so you don't have to worry about bigger chargers not fitting in next to each other. It comes with 6 USB ports on one side and 12 outlets total. Yes, 12! The best part is each of the outlets has an independent power switch so that you can save energy and turn off the outlets when not needed. To see the rest of my top picks for all tech products this year, head to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.